Wave interaction and interference test. Choose the correct response for each question. First, type your last name in the box here. Next, type your first name in the box here. Now you will select your cycle number. Number 1, the bouncing back of a wave when it hits a surface through which it cannot pass. Refraction, reflection, or diffraction. Number 2, the bending of a wave as it enters a new medium at an angle caused by a change in speed. Refraction, reflection, or diffraction. Number 3, the bending or spreading of waves as they move around a barrier or pass through an opening. Refraction, reflection, or diffraction. Number 4, the process or action by which an object transfers energy to another material. Refraction, absorption, or diffraction. Number 5, the interaction between waves that meet. Interference, interruptions, or icebergs. Number 6, a wave that appears to stand in one place even though it is really two waves interfering as they pass through each other. Sitting waves, standing waves, or spinning waves. Number 7, a phenomenon that occurs when two objects naturally vibrate at the same frequency. This increases the wave amplitude. Refraction, reflection, or resonance. Number 8, the interference that occurs when two waves combined to make a wave with a larger amplitude. Constructive interference, destructive interference, or seismic interference. Number 9, occurs when two or more waves combined to produce a wave with a smaller amplitude. Constructive interference, destructive interference, or seismic interference. Number 10, a point of zero amplitude on a standing wave. Node, antinode, or mode. And number 11, a point of maximum amplitude on a standing wave. Node, antinode, or mode.